Hi all, welcome to an interesting conversation with Mr. Sachin Kodagli, who is author of a Bugman. And I'm going to ask him some interesting questions to him, and we're going to do Q&As vice versa as well. Sachin, welcome.
Thank you.
I would like to know how did the journey of writing a book called as Bugman started?
Yeah, so the journey began almost in December 2014 when we both met, right, in Orion Mall in Bangalore, Rajesh Nagar, Bangalore. And that's when you had also written a few books and we were reading through those books. And there was a thought that can we write on software and software testing and just the journey of how a software tester's life is, correct. Given that I had software testing experience of around 10 plus years around that time, we thought we can just blend a mix of both the technical aspects but in a funnier way and in a easier to read way. That's how the journey began of Pugman.
Yeah, for me it was like a black box to begin because I didn't know what it is and what to do. I only had heard something called as testing and test cases and things like that. Can you tell me some interesting moments or journeys, the best moments of starting to write a book?
Difference between writing a book and writing any article or a blog, both are completely different. It is not the same. We can't compare it. It's a big journey, long journey. We need to patiently undertake. When we are all writing and reviewing the each chapter by chapter or section by section, correct. So lot of learnings there, which I don't think we'll get when we write a blog, which is just an activity for a day or a week. That was one good thing. The second best moment is that when people first time reviewed the script and they started giving comments, right? So everyone had their own views. So when we reach out to many people and ask their views, they will. Some people will say, "Can you add file evidence in this?" Or some people will say, "Can you make it more serious at this point?" Correct. So we have to look at all the views, but ultimately we have to look at the overall script and decide what is best for the all the readers.
Yeah. Personally, I think I've enjoyed one moment. If I think Bugman, first thing comes to me is a cover page design. I think we had a lot of an conversation around that, how it should look like. And that probably was very exciting. First thing, if somebody asked me what do you remember Bugman was a cover page to start. Then I think of various moments of, especially when I had to put my thoughts in a technical book presenting in non-technical format was not very easy, and it was very challenging for me to start. But when I got into the flow of understanding, it was more easy to work with you. I think you made things easier rather than I would say that the credit should go to you. So can you tell me like what it takes to write a book? Other than I understand you have a knowledge, but and then as you said, there's a writing a blog or a social media posting is very different from writing book. Book has an experience. So what did it take for you other than knowing what you want to write?
Yeah, I think the flow, right? The big part is the flow. What we want to convey to the user. That first goal we have to have in our mind. So then, based on that goal, we have to look at each chapter by chapter and understand how the flow is going. Correct. So the book, it depends on the kind of book we are writing. If it's a book where we want to convey a message in a lighter tone, how can we add funnier elements in it, right? So, for example, as you said, the cover page. How can you make it appealing to the person who is going to read it? He has to understand with that cover page what that book looks like. And even the first preface or whatever is the first or second page of the book, which is very important, those words are going to be critical for the reader to start getting evolving himself into the book as he reads more, right? That is one more thing. The other thing is taking all the feedback, but ensuring that the goal or the end the aspects we wanted to convey to the user, that is met when we are writing the book. So that's critical. And I think the more feedback we get, the better. So the more we reach out, the more we ask people, definitely it's always good. That will help us get more perspectives, and we can try to correct as much of those things during the writing of the book.
Yeah, feedback loop is definitely right because I know it's finally the readers who are going to read it and see how close they are to what we're thinking. But for me personally, I think writing a book with you was like something like we did not let our idea fail at all, and we made sure that we wrote this book called as Buckman. I think we stick to wanting to do it. That is personally, I feel that is something great achievement. I see it. And it was very new experience, and I always say that no, this book belongs to you. That's what I see it always as. There are various things in writing a book, like writing, editing, proofreading, publishing, and so on. How do you find this whole process as? Because personally, I've seen writing is I find it a little easier. I enjoy the doing it, but when it comes beyond writing, I feel like I don't want to do it. So what about you?
Yeah, actually, those were new elements to me also. So editing was a new element. So how editor looks at a book and how we will look at a book, or how a reader will look at a book, is different. So editor will has lot of experience, right, of editing so many books. So lot of corrections. In fact, I think I remember one of the important moments also was that correcting whatever was whatever the editor gave us as corrections, right, which are all valuable at the end of the day. Cover page we talked about, that is also critical. I think we spent a lot of time on cover page, which was good. I think a lot of changes were done. I think you did the sketches, which was good, and I'm not good at sketches. So your help in making the sketch and conveying the right detail to the person who actually made that possible, right? So I think thanks to you and to the person who did it. And also the publishing, again something new to me. It is not easy. So you have to identify a publisher who can you actually convey that there's a book called Bugman, or any book any author is writing, and make the reach wider. Correct. That was one more good thing. And I think proofreading was one thing which I could relate to. In software industry, we definitely have people review things, or we also call users outside of the company as external users and ask them to review, or ask them to do some actions on a web page, for example. Similarly, here also, when we made sure that the readers look at the script, but it was not in the form of a book, it was just a lot of pages, they read it and they gave a lot of feedback. So that process, making sure that they are aware of that, that was good. And I think connecting with all of the people outside of Bugman was critical. So for example, we went a couple of places and we interacted with them. We just did a couple of photo shoots. More than photo shoot, I think it was just working with all the people and just conveying the idea, right? It's like a meet and greet, but meet and greet for Bugman. So that was a good experience.
True. I think Rashri Ghosh as editor did a commendable job for us to help us to see from as an editor point of view. And how was your experience? Because this was your first book launch. How was it to you?
There was a lot of goosebumps, I would say. First time, right? So never had the experience. I was always, maybe at least in a couple of your book launches, I would have sat and listened. But when I went there, and definitely I had prepared what I have to say, right? And with all the people around, and right, it was a new experience. I think the best moment was somebody asking both of us to sign on the piece of the copy we had provided to that person, right? So that was a good experience. It was new. And also conveying that work we had done for the couple of years, right? So as I said, that book writing is a long process, and it is a very, at the end of it, it is a sweet journey, right? Once we complete it, but we have to realize that journey for the two whatever years we work on it. So completing that and seeing the book in the hand and showing it to that audience at that day was a very sweet and successful part of that, right? So really enjoyed that aspect.
Yeah, it was wonderful to see a lot of people came forward to support, and I met somebody whom I probably met many years ago. So it was good to see, and definitely a very exciting moment and a different experience. And then I think we did this in McDonald's in one of the places in Bangalore. If you have to remember, what was the best compliment personally received as a reviewers or as somebody who gave you feedback?
What differentiates, right? Everyone does education, everyone does works in some or the other form, but writing a book was something which is unique, which I felt was like great. So whenever I meet people, right, whenever I tell them that people also look at the social media and they recognize that I have written the book, but some people call it, okay, he's the author of Bugman. That is the best compliment I get. I think thanks to you, because I think all those other aspects of book writing was one aspect, but all those other aspects I could learn, and I think that successful journey has helped me provide those accomplishments from all the people. That really makes it worthwhile.
For me, I think the best compliment I remember was when I generally just ask people, "Do you like to review the book?" And there was a person called as Mani Aparna Sen Gupta or Mani Aparna Ghosh. I don't remember his last name, so sorry. Mani Aparna, I will put it in simple words. She said she's open to review a book because this is not a genre which she would have done in the past. I never remembered she reviewing a book like this. And then when I asked her, like, no, why do you want to review a book which is not a genre? She said, but I'm open for any of your books. That gave confidence. Okay, there are people who believe in author's journey and they think that they can try and review the book. Irrespective of how it sounds, and she actually gave a thumbs up. She gave a good review out of us. you already an author now. So if you had to give a message to somebody who is thinking to be an author, or like they were like concerned, okay, can I? The question is always in the mind. What would be your message to them?
So the message is simple. I mean, it's a long journey, but enjoy that journey, right? And writing book doesn't happen every day. It is something which takes time. But if you enjoy the journey and if you just think through, it's a process, right? It's a planning. You can't just write a book in days. It takes a lot of time, effort, but you need the support system also. So think through what you really want to write. What are your prospective readers, or who will be benefited from this? Right, it's not about anything to do with the commercial aspect. It's just about the enjoyment the readers get. That is the thing which author should want to do, right, once his book is released. So think of that. So get that they can read, review, right, get all the feedback in, and it takes spend some extra time. It's not urgent to release a book certainly in a week or 2 months or a year, right? Whatever that is, that will, because once we do the publishing of the book and it's out in the hands of the readers, I don't think we can correct it back. It's not easy. So let's do the course corrections and take all the feedback early, right? So patience is critical. Patience, collaboration, obviously courage, because there will be new aspects. Some of the people who have never experienced it will get into. That will be also critical. And yeah, if this benefits the readers, that's the biggest achievement or accomplishment one could get.
Yeah, I think personally, even I feel a lot of new authors could think like saying at least they should write a book for themselves, not for anybody else. As a journey to remember, okay, this is my personal something I've done it for myself. I think that would be a great idea to it. Yeah, thanks, Sachin, the author of the Bugman, for interesting insight and wonderful key points for aspiring authors and your personal journey on writing a book, and the commendable work too. Should appreciate what you've done so far, and I'm sure there's going to be one more book coming up in the future, and looking forward to see that. Thank you very much, and have a great day.
Yes, thank you. And I think we should just remember that the 5th year just passed. Time flies fast, but I think yeah, exactly. Bugman readers are really have found this helpful, and I'm sure more readers will find this helpful, and will definitely try for one more book. I mean, go on the path of a journey which will lead to one more book sooner than later.
Yeah.